This is the inside of your computer. This, what you're going to look for. You're going to see a couple slots here. Might be something plugged into them, I can't remember. And then this one, the one on the far towards the top, is your video card. Now if it's not all the way in there, it just pulls out like that. It's got this strip at the bottom, and that's what connects to that slot right there. And you line it up so that it's in the slot, and you just push it down as far as you can. Now if you're worried about it coming back out, because I forgot to put this screw in there when I put it in, on this end right here is a screw hole. You just line up your screw with that hole, and this should keep it from falling out again if you knock it. Well, if I can hold on to it. Just screw her in like so, and then it'll still wiggle a little bit, but it won't. Can't pull it up. And then you can just plug your. You can stand it back up at that point and just plug your monitor back in on the side. Make sure you screw that in too, so that doesn't lose connection. Well, that's really all there is to it. If that's not the problem, I'll see if I can figure out what else is wrong. I think that's what happened. Let me stop it now.